is a movie which talks about a music teacher who was quite an old man, and there was a student who was having some kind of problem, not exactly with the teacher, but with the learning process. But he was quite receptive to what he said, and there were quite a lot of exchanges between the boy and the teacher, music teacher. And the father were also a bit, he had distanced himself from the boy, so the music teacher was not actually ready to welcome him in the school premises. And when the father actually shared his part of the story, that he's interested in taking the boy along with him, the school teacher was a bit apprehensive. And he said that you don't have that kind of rapport with your son. And then they have shown the choir and all the children singing in a very melodious manner, the way we actually synchronize and sing together for choir. And because there was a function which was going to happen very soon, and the deadline was almost near, so they had to actually practice hard. So the school teacher had few conferences, had few meetings, and discussed few of the issues which were actually burgeoning, you can say. And the boy also had a bit of bad days also, when he was reluctant to actually be part of the choir, and sometimes he answered back because of some problems happening in his personal life, and basically with the music teacher also at times. So the music teacher was quite infuriated at times. How do you have the audacity to speak to your school teacher, like a music teacher, like this? You're not supposed to speak in this manner, rude manner, and the way you are questioning me. So the boy was a kind of boisterous one. He was not exactly wrong, but his approach towards music and towards, basically because the family was a broken family, or whatever you can say, with father and parents basically was not having a very sound relationship. That was coming out in the school premises. And then the teacher also was very infuriated in the beginning, but later on, since he was a very talented student, he was welcomed with open arms. And then the differences were buried, and even the father was called to the premises. Even the mom, what is supposedly the second mom, she also barged in, and the boy was part of the choir, and the function happened in an amicable way, and the movie ended on a happy note. So bottom line, sometimes in the journey of life we come across difficult students, but we have to delve deep into their understanding process, because sometimes what we see from the superficial angle, sometimes they are very boisterous, they are rude, but deep within they are actually struggling through. They are going through a lot of things which are happening in their lives, which comes out through words, and maybe they don't mean to hurt, but because of the inner battle which they are going through on a daily basis. So we need to be understanding, and the teachers are understanding, they can win over the students. 5 stars.